Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? You don't know this is King Spikes. Right now, we come to talk about the reggae music. As a youth, we travel around the world and see how people gravitate to music. Me not even going to say dancehall and reggae music, because when you go out into the world, one thing them see is reggae music. Hey man, I love your music, I love your reggae music. And then when you ask them, who is your favorite artist? What do you think them call? Them say Bob Marley, Peter Touch, Garnet Silk, Berry Salmon, Luciana. Yo, me not tell a lie, me not pretty up nothing. The reggae music gone to the dog. It gone. Me no know, yo, them new artists here, the man them a sing, the man them not sing nothing. The man them song not even a last for 1 week. You remember one time when man used to bleach a studio? Bleach, man, yo, your song have to sound good for your boss. No? A man just take out a Kyle and just peel a producer a Kyle and by the next day him song them on road. Yo, the man them, yo, listen to me. You see if them artists are the big artists, them not take back the thing, it a got the next 5 year, 10 year, it a go gone to reggae music, a go gone to nothing. The man them have to take back the thing, dog. A be a fucker the man them a singing. When you not see that, all around the hard work, when you work and build the thing, it a go just fade away. Right now, Europe right now come like a the reggae capital. The Chinese, them a take over completely. Africa, everywhere you turn, a African song no hear a play. Meanwhile, reggae music are the #1. Reggae music start everything. All music different come from off a reggae or some version to reggae knockoff brand. Listen to me, man. Me no know what I wanna do. Jamaican, the artists, them too talented. Fi not sing no song with no punch. Them not sing no song with no punch. The song them not play. Listen to me, if you not take back the thing, you see next 5-10 years, you know go suffer. All of the big artists, them want to take back the industry because them nowadays are the new artists now go on with nothing. Big up yourself, ding dong. You don't know your music a play everywhere. And you don't know people rate you in the street from a long time, you know. You see me from Broke Up them days, Flavor Thursday, East Kingston, you know. But the rest of new artists, them gun lyrics here, it nah go work out youth. The next thing again, the man them across the reggae beat them with some beat where not have no punchline. It nah go know when that, yo, listen to me, man, no open.